Occurrences in pixyz is actually a component tree. Your assemblies, your part of your model are here. For example, we have a different part of the model, wheels, body of that. You can see it here. If you select them, you can select it different part, and you can right click, for example, rename it. They are not important, show them, hide them. With this click, you can turn it off or on for seeing that. So snap to ground, but you don't need to because it's in the structure. Retessellate it again, delete that, and so on. So we have some icon here. It's in a root. If you select everything, these icons means empty. You can see that. You can see if you insert a light, in this case we don't need to that because we want to bridge to cat to mesh. These icons means this is part, occurrences, assembly. Assembly means different part or create one assembly, and something like this is empty. By name, all of these are creating in your own CAD software, Rhino, SolidWorks, anything that you can search with name. If you select it, you can go to its settings. I will show you more about that. If you want to isolate, for example, select body. If you want to just isolate that, simply click in here, isolate it. And then you can work, tessellate it, everything that you want, retessellate it again on that. And that's it. It's very simple.